Installing Eclipse on Mac computer. Eclipse is an open-source integrated development environment, IDE, supported by IBM. Eclipse is popular for Java application development and Android apps. I am going to show you how to download and install Eclipse on your Mac computer. Number 1. Go to search engine Google. Eclipse download for Mac. Search. Number 2. Click on Download Packages. Number 3. Click on Mac OS times 64-bit. Number 4. Click on Download. Number 5. Click on Eclipse INST Mac 64 DMG. Number 6. Click on Eclipse Installer App. Continue and finish installation of Eclipse. Number 7. Select the package to install. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Number 8. After Eclipse get install, you could launch Eclipse.